How to update the YouTube app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make sure you are using the latest version of your YouTube app on your Android device, well, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to fully update it to get all the newest feature. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, simply swipe up from the home screen to open up the app drawer and then tap on the settings icon. And here, once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, it will show you the list of all install apps. So from here, scroll all the way down until you find the YouTube app. And once you have found it, simply tap on it. Now here, inside the YouTube app settings, simply tap on the storage. And here, simply tap on clear cache to get rid of all the temporary files. And once you're done with that, simply tap on clear data. And don't worry, this won't log you out or mess up your account. It just reset the app to run smoother. But for now, I'm not doing it. But here, once you're done with these two things, simply go back and from here simply scroll down and tap on app details in store. And here it will take you directly to the YouTube page in Google Play Store. Now, if there is update available, you see the button that says update instead of open. So just tap on that and the latest version will be downloaded and installed automatically. And that's it. Now you are all set with the updated app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.